The Lord's body is a reservoir of all pleasures. Body means not body as we think. The idea of a body is coming from transcendental idea of body. But here that transcendental idea of body is made up of not chitta, it is made up of not internal energy, it is made up of external energy of the Lord, this Panchabhuta. The Lord Himself is tasting the pleasure content of His body by sucking His own toes. Another wonderful thing Prabhupada says here is that all the sages, great devotees, they apply all their energy and activities in service of the lotus feet of the Lord. Lotus feet of the Lord is also very sweet, especially so in protective rasa, cool shade of the protection of the lotus feet. Every jiva needs protection because he is tiny, and the lotus feet of the Lord is personification of protection. Lotus feet of the Lord is also personification of devotion. We become devoted to the lotus feet of the Lord.